Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to do a very simple, very easy sweet and sour sauce, which you can then use to whatever way you want, like with chicken, with pork, with sausages, with extra vegetables. It's up to yourself. Nice and easy. Right, first thing we need is an onion. Now, what I've done with the onion is I've halved it, I've taken the skin off it, and all we're going to do is slice this into what I call rainbows. As the slices look like a rainbow. So we'll just quickly slice it up. And I'll put it onto this plate. That's it handy. And the other half, it's a whole onion, a bit medium-sized onion. Slice it up. You can see how thick I've made the slices. Just so that we're correct. There we go. Okay, right, simple. Next thing we need a pepper. Now my recipe said a green pepper. If you can't get a green pepper, I managed to get a red one. No green peppers available. So what we're going to do with this is we're simply going to half it. Then I'm going to get rid of all the seeds that are inside. Oh, I did remember to wash my hands again today, folks. Right, just get rid of the seeds. And then all I want to do with this is just literally slice it. Please watch your fingers on the chopping board. Now, I like them that size. You can leave them that size if you like. It's up to yourself. Do it like that, like that. And don't worry if you catch one of the wee seeds. It won't do you any harm. Okay, so that's that, and then we'll just let that join the onion, and we'll do the same with the other half because we're going to use a whole pepper. As I said, any colour you can get hold of. Also, if you've got any pepper you've left over from previous recipes, you have frozen it, use the frozen pepper as well for this recipe. It works a treat, and it's a good way of using up peppers if you've got them for another recipe. Oops, trying to escape. Okay. There we go, we're nearly there. Okay, next job, I have a pot here, and in the pot I have 15 ml of vegetable oil. And what we're going to do is our usual piece of onion in it, and we're going to get the oil heated up. Now remember, we're looking for little sizzles around the outside edge of the onion. Okay, right, we have a little sizzle. I think you can very gently see the oil starting to sizzle round about that. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it back to the table, and what we're going to do is we're simply going to add in the onions and the peppers. Doesn't matter if they're all mixed together, and we're going to cook that gently just for a couple of minutes. We want to keep moving it, keep stirring it, so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. We don't want the onions to brown or get black, we just want to soften them. Peppers are nice and chunky, you'll see why once we've got the sauce made up. Okay, a couple of minutes just to soften it. And right there. Okay, once it's had a couple of minutes, we're just simply going to bring the pot back to the table and start to soften. Start to see through the onion as well. Now, next bit's so easy. What we need in the next bit is 5 ml, sorry, quarter of a pint, 125 ml, 150 ml of white wine vinegar. We can add that in. We need 150 ml of pineapple juice. Now, I got the pineapple juice out the tin, but you can just as well use a carton of juice. So we're going to add that in as well. Then we're going to add in a tin of chopped tomatoes. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And then we're going to add in about 20 grams of chopped crystallised ginger. Now, I've got a little bit here just to show you. That's what it looks like. If you don't have crystallised ginger in your cupboard, and not everybody does, then just simply use powdered ginger. A teaspoon of that will do the same job. I like the crystallised stuff in this sauce. It makes it much nicer. And again, we're just going to add that in. And what we want to do with this is we're going to cook it just for a couple of minutes. Literally just a couple of minutes, just to start cooking through all those little bits and pieces, bring all the flavours together. It's fine, it doesn't take long. Okay, and after 2 minutes, back to the table, folks. Now, what we need to do with this is where we need 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of cold water. And what we want to do is just to blend the powder and the liquid together. And this is what is going to thicken our sauce. Right, so you want to blend it so that you don't see any of the powder. It just looks like a white liquid. Make sure there's no lumps, all nice and smooth. And then all we're going to do with that is we're simply going to add that to our pot with all the other ingredients. Then that goes back onto the heat, and we're going to keep stirring until it starts to boil and thicken. Back on the heat, keep stirring until it boils and thickens. Doesn't take long, folks. It's a nice easy sauce this. Okay, we are almost on the boil. I'm just stirring it, and you can see it has thickened, and you can see the bubbles starting to form. So our sauce is almost finished. We'll just switch the hob off and bring it back to the table. Okay, what I like to do with this one now is I like to get some cooked meat here. So I have some cooked chicken, which I have, and all I want to do with this is I'm just going to cut it up into smaller bite-sized pieces. If you don't like chicken, you can add in cooked pork, cooked turkey, cooked sausages, but the meat has to be cooked. You can add in extra vegetables and keep it a vegetarian option. Okay, or use some of the meat substitutes. Just quickly, we'll just chop up the rest of it. We're going to add that in. Into the pot, not onto the table. Give that a stir through, just to heat it through. Like so. Almost there, folks. Right. I've got here a nice warm plate. I've also got some cooked rice, which I'm going to put onto the plate. Then I have my big spoon. I'm going to put some of my sweet and sour chicken on top of the rice. You can see why I like green pepper, because it makes it, I think it's a nicer colour combination. And lastly, that tin of pineapples. Got these pineapples, there's a few of them on top. Or if you like, you can actually put them through the sauce. Okay, our sweet and sour chicken. So, all that's left is to try it. Right, here goes. Let's hope the sauce is sweet enough. And guess what's for my dinner tonight, folks? Like to let you try it, but you just need to make your own. Happy cooking!